Hello everyone, welcome to Study Dogma. So keeping in mind about the upcoming SBI clerk and RBI assistant mains 2020 exam, I have brought to you this 1000 plus last 6 months current affairs one-liners question series, in which today we will discuss part 1 containing 300 questions of January and February 2020. This series will cover each and every single questions month-wise from January till the exam date. You will get 80% questions common in your general awareness section if you watch this series properly. So please don't skip the video sessions and watch thoroughly till end. Before starting, I will request, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get updated for the upcoming sessions. So let's start today's session. Which famous actor won the Best Actor in a Motion Picture Drama award in the Golden Globe Awards 2020? Right answer is Joaquin Phoenix. Which state has launched an initiative Arogya Shri to provide free medical treatment to the poor? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. As per recent interest rates on Kisan Vikas Patra, money would get double in how many months? Right answer is 113 months. Name the Earth observation satellite launched by ISRO on PSLV C-48 for the first launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Right answer is RISAT-2BR1. Which Indian monument has been included in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's 8 Wonders of SEO list? Right answer is Statue of Unity, Gujarat. Which country was the largest source of FDI in India during the first half of financial year 2020 as per the data released by the government? Right answer is Singapore. So Singapore was the largest source of FDI in India during the first half of financial year 2020. Union Health Minister has launched which network of 8 research and academic institutions working in the area of food and nutrition? Right answer is NETSCOFAN. Which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the IUCN to red list orchids? Right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. The Indian Army will sign an MOU with which country to procure AK-203 assault rifles? Right answer is Russia. What is India's rank in Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Index released by World Economic Forum? So India ranked 34th in Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Index. Which zone of the Indian Railways signed a memorandum of understanding with State Bank of India for doorstep banking for direct pickup of earnings? Right answer is South Central Zone. Which bank has partnered with Common Service Center for sale of FASTags? Right answer is Paytm Payment Bank. So Paytm Payment Bank has partnered with Common Service Center for sale of FASTags. Which Indian city hosts the All India Police Judo Cluster Championship 2019? Right answer is New Delhi. So New Delhi will host the All India Police Judo Cluster Championship 2019. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Krishak Durghatna Kalyan Yojana? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the rank of India among countries with corporate commitments to science-based targets? Right answer is 5th. So India ranked 5th among countries with corporate commitments to science-based targets. Who inaugurated the digital exhibition on history of Constitution of India? Right answer is Jitendra Singh. What is the rank of India in WEF's first Global Social Mobility Index 2020? Right answer is 76th. So India ranked 76th in World Economic Forum's first Global Social Mobility Index 2020. Khadi and Village Industries Commission opened its first silk processing plant in which district of Gujarat to increase the production of Gujarat Patola sarees? Right answer is Surendranagar. Which ride-sharing company has partnered with Hyundai to develop electric air taxis? Right answer is Uber. Which organization has designated 2020 as International Year of Nurse and Midwife? Right answer is World Health Organization. Which cricketer laid the foundation stone for International Cricket Stadium and Training Centre, also named as Rohit Sharma Cricket Stadium, at Heartfulness Institute headquarters in Hyderabad? Right answer is Rohit Sharma. A cluster of institutions in which state's Ayurveda University was conferred the status of Institutes of National Importance. Right answer is Gujarat. UN Shipping Agency, the International Maritime Organization, is aiming to reduce the industry's greenhouse gas emission to 50% by which year? Right answer is 2050. Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, launched Dash, an annual 1-month long people-centric fuel conservation mega campaign of PCRA. Right answer is Saksham. So Saksham is the annual 1-month long people-centric fuel conservation mega campaign which was launched by Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. Which Indian cricketers has been awarded prestigious C.K. Naidu Lifetime Award of the BCCI for the year 2019? Right answer is Krishnamachari Shrikant and Anjum Chopra. Which state became the first state in the country to pass a resolution against the Citizenship Amendment Act? Right answer is Kerala. So Kerala became the first state in the country to pass a resolution against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Who has been elected as the new president of Guatemala? Right answer is Alejandro Giammattei. Which scheme has been approved by Forest Advisory Committee to allow Forest Department to outsource the responsibility of reforesting to non-government agencies? Right answer is Green Credit. Who has become the first and youngest tribal woman in the world to climb 6 tallest mountain peaks across 6 continents? Right answer is Malabat Purna. Which district received Swachhata Darpan Awards 2019 for the best performing districts on key Swachhata parameters? Right answer is Puri, Odisha. Who inaugurated 7th Conference of Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India region in the Legislative Assembly building in Lucknow? Right answer is O.M. Birla. Which state was ranked first in the big states category in the first Good Governance Index launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh in New Delhi recently? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. Which country will purchase 500 buses from India for 15 million USD? Right answer is Sri Lanka. Jal Jeevan Hariyali Mission is a flagship climate change initiative of which state? Right answer is Bihar. So Jal Jeevan Hariyali Mission is a flagship climate change initiative of Bihar. In which country world's oldest rhino fossa has died? Right answer is Tanzania. Which country recently unveiled the world's first avant-garde hypersonic intercontinental ballistic missile? Right answer is Russia. Which state government has started a project to save paper by using digital medium for administrative work? Right answer is West Bengal. The first edition of Krishi Manthan, the largest food, agribusiness and rural development summit of Asia, held in which city? Right answer is Ahmedabad. According to the recently released India State of Forest report, what percent of India's geographical area is covered with forest? Right answer is 24.56%. Which state government will give an annual pension of rupees 6,000 to women who have been given triple talaq by their husbands? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. The Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Dharmendra Pradhan, has launched which mission to develop Eastern India into integrated steel hub? Right answer is Purvodaya. The Reserve Bank of India has recently revised the supervisory action framework of which category of banks? Right answer is urban cooperative banks. An international film festival with the theme of Better Film, Better Audience and Better Society was recently inaugurated in which city? Right answer is Dhaka. Which international bank has signed a loan agreement of $88 million with the Government of India and Assam State Government for the implementation of Assam Inland Water Transport? Right answer is World Bank. Who has won Miss Teen International 2019? Right answer is Ayushi Dholakia. Who has won the ICC Test Player of the Year award at ICC Awards 2019? Right answer is Pat Cummins. Which state has launched an e-Gazette portal, a first of its kind initiative in India to make available the Gazette notifications from all state departments under one platform? Right answer is Odisha. Who has been declared as the most famous teenager in the world by the United Nations? Right answer is Malala Yousafzai. So Malala Yousafzai has been declared as the most famous teenager in the world by the United Nations. The 9th International Children's Film Festival begins in which city? Right answer is Kolkata. Industrial Meet of Wings India, Asia's largest civil aviation event, held at which city? Right answer is Bengaluru. Recently, Amit Shah signed historic Brue-Reang refugee agreement between government of which states? Right answer is Tripura and Mizoram. Which city hosts the annual World Future Energy Summit of the year 2020? Right answer is Abu Dhabi. Which state hosted Fit India Cyclothon to promote fitness? Right answer is Goa. So Goa has hosted Fit India Cyclothon to promote fitness. Who has become the 7th cricketer in the world to hit 6 sixes in an over? Right answer is Leo Carter and he is from New Zealand. Who will head the committee to examine issues on royalty rates for major minerals? Right answer is K. Rajeshwar Rao. Name the new military service recently launched by the United States. Right answer is Space Force. So United States has recently launched Space Force as its new military service. Which country has been ranked one of the worst countries in the world for internet freedom as per survey undertaken by tech research company Comparitech? Right answer is Pakistan. Who will host the 19th Council of Heads of Government of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization in 2020? Right answer is India. According to SEBI, what is the deadline set to separate role of chairman and MD in top 500 companies? Right answer is April 1st, 2022. In which city Indian Railways has set up country's first governmental waste to energy plant? Right answer is Bhubaneswar. National Basketball Association legend Kobe Bryant has passed away recently. He was from which country? Right answer is USA. In which city 3rd Global Potato Conclave was organized? Right answer is Gandhinagar. Name the most polluted city in India according to recent Greenpeace India report. Right answer is Jharia. So Jharia is the most polluted city in India according to recent Greenpeace India report. Which state government has launched Shiv Bhojan scheme? Right answer is Maharashtra. RBI has cancelled the certificate of authorization of which payment system operator? Right answer is Vodafone M-Pesa. So RBI has cancelled the certificate of authorization of Vodafone M-Pesa. Which company recently announced to offer guidance to 15 tech startup companies from 5 Indian states? Right answer is Microsoft. Who has recently been appointed as the 4th Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Right answer is Michael D. Patra. The 5th edition of Science Film Festival 2020 held in which state? Right answer is Goa. The All India Radio has signed a content sharing program with which country radio broadcaster? Right answer is Bangladesh. In which country External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar inaugurated the first Mahatma Gandhi International Convention Center? Right answer is Niger. Name the humanoid to be sent by ISRO before sending humans in 2022 for Gaganyaan mission. Right answer is Vyon Mitra. So Vyon Mitra is the humanoid to be sent by ISRO before sending humans in 2022 for Gaganyaan mission. Which cricketer won the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for Player of the Year presented by the International Cricket Council? Right answer is Ben Stokes. Garela Pendra Marwai has become the 28th district of which state? Right answer is Chhattisgarh. Which film won the Best Film Award in the Asian Competition section of the 18th Dhaka International Film Festival? Right answer is Castle of Dreams. Which company has recently announced to invest $1 billion to digitize small and medium businesses in India? Right answer is Amazon. According to Swiss bank Julius Baer, which is the most expensive city of the world for luxury goods? Right answer is Hong Kong. Which state has celebrated Chapchar Kut festival? Right answer is Mizoram. So Mizoram has celebrated Chapchar Kut festival. The communication satellite of ISRO GSAT-30 has been launched from French Guiana aboard which vehicle? Right answer is Ariane 5. Microsoft recently announced that it has planned to cut more than half of carbon emissions across its supply chain by which year? Right answer is 2030. Who has been recently conferred with the 29th Saraswati Samman Award? Right answer is Vasdev Mohi, and he is a Sindhi writer. Who has won the men's singles title of 2020 Malaysia Masters Badminton Tournament? Right answer is Kento Momota. Which country offered e-visa facility to Indian tourists? Right answer is South Africa. Name the cricketer who has won the Polly Umrigar Award. Right answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Which Indian entrepreneur was recently honoured with the Australia's highest civilian honour, Order of Australia? Right answer is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Name the Indian origin person who has been appointed as the judge of Chicago. Right answer is Samia Naseem. So Samia Naseem is the Indian origin person who has been appointed as the judge of Chicago. Who has launched the Apna Urea Sona Ugle brand of Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited? Right answer is D.V. Sadanand Gowda. Which global telecommunication company's arm has recently launched a new privacy-focused search engine called OneSearch? Right answer is Verizon Communications. Who has become the first Indian spinner to take 100 wickets in 58 matches? Right answer is Kuldeep Yadav. Who led the Indian delegation to the 50th World Economic Forum at Davos? Right answer is Piyush Goyal. According to Global Wealth and Lifestyle 2020, which city has been ranked the cheapest city for purchasing luxury goods and services? Right answer is Mumbai. India signed MOU with which country to enhance bilateral defense cooperation? Right answer is Finland. Which city has organized first phase of Vishwa Ijtema? Right answer is Dhaka. Which city recently organized the world's longest awareness human chain for more than 18,000 kilometers? Right answer is Bihar. Which Indian state has topped the production of vegetables in 2018-19 as per the recent data from the Ministry of Agriculture? Right answer is West Bengal. IRDAI has imposed rupees 1 crore penalty on which company for violating certain provisions of corporate governance guidelines for insurers? Right answer is Cholamandalam MS General Insurance Company. Who has been appointed as the Queen's Counsel for the Courts of England and Wales? Right answer is Harish Salve. Who has been appointed the chairman of the committee to draft the national water policy? Right answer is Mihir Shah. Which had become the first state in the country to have 100% LPG gas coverage? Right answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which country has launched £4 million Innovation Challenge Fund in India? Right answer is United Kingdom. As per World Steel Association data, India ranked which position largest steel producer of crude steel? Right answer is second. So India ranked second position steel producer of crude steel as per World Steel Association data. Which state government has launched Pension Kanuka scheme to deliver pension at people's door? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Where was National Water Conference held in? Right answer is Bhopal. Who has won the men's single title of Australian Open by defeating Dominic Thiem of Austria? Right answer is Novak Djokovic. Which district has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by Niti Aayog in December 2019? Right answer is Chandoli district in Uttar Pradesh. Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy inaugurated the National Cyber Research, Innovation and Capacity Center in which city? Right answer is Hyderabad. Name the American woman astronaut who has returned to the Earth after successfully spending 328 days in the space. Right answer is Christina Koch. Which bank has approved to extend a $3 billion loan to Andhra Pradesh for development projects? Right answer is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Which has become the first train in India to have aircraft style bio vacuum toilets? Right answer is Kalka Delhi Shatabdi. Recently, Assam Rifles has constructed a combined war memorial in which state for the 357 Army and Assam Rifles personnel killed while fighting insurgency in the northeastern state? Right answer is Nagaland. How much funds has been allocated for the Unique Identification Authority of India for financial year 2021? Right answer is rupees 985 crores. Which state government launched first helicopter services under Udan scheme? Right answer is Uttarakhand. Which organization launched police-related citizen-centric services in New Delhi recently? Right answer is the National Crime Record Bureau, that is NCRB. Who has won the World Games Athlete of the Year award? Right answer is Rani Rampal. Who has been appointed as the resident coordinator in Thailand by United Nations? So Geeta Sabharwal has been appointed as the resident coordinator in Thailand by United Nations. The first Disha police station of Andhra Pradesh was inaugurated in which city? Right answer is Raja Mahendra Varam. Which state topped in best performing state in sustainable growth per UNDP India report? Right answer is Telangana. Which airport has become home to the world's largest airport-based temperature-controlled facility, the Export Cold Zone? Right answer is Mumbai. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has launched the limited edition of Khadi wristwatches manufactured by which company? Right answer is Titan. India's first glass float suspension bridge will come up in which city? Right answer is Rishikesh. President of India Sri Ramnath Kovind inaugurated the 34th Suraj Kund International Crafts Mela in which state? Right answer is Haryana. Where was COP13 summit on the conservation of migratory species of wild animals held inaugurated by PM Modi? Right answer is Gandhinagar. Who developed world's first bulletproof helmet against AK-47 bullet? Right answer is Major Anup Mishra. Who has been selected for the 2019-2020 Pen Gauri Lankesh Award? Right answer is Yusuf Jamil. Which state will set up 1000 Kudumbashree hotels to provide subsidized meals at rupees 25? Right answer is Kerala. Which bank has signed a pact with CARE Ratings to assess credit quality of its small and medium enterprises customers? Right answer is Bank of Baroda. How much amount was sanctioned by NABARD to boost infrastructure in Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is rupees 400.64 crore. The budget has proposed to increase the insurance cover on bank deposits under DICGC from 1 lakh to dash per depositor. Right answer is 5 lakh. So the budget has proposed to increase the insurance cover on bank deposits under DICGC from 1 lakh to 5 lakh per depositor. Which state flagged off India's first of its kind first fruit train? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh flagged off India's first fruit train. According to the Defence Budget 2020-21, how much amount has been allocated for the revenue expenditure for year 2020-21? Right answer is rupees 2,18,998 crore. Union government has announced to establish how many more airports by 2024 under the Udan scheme? Right answer is 100. So Union government has announced to establish 100 more airports by 2024 under the Udan scheme. Which country will start auctioning off elephant hunting licenses ending ban imposed in 2014? Right answer is Botswana. Where was the 11th edition of the biennial Mega Defense Exhibition DEF Expo held? Right answer is Lucknow. So the biennial Mega Defense Exhibition, that is DEF Expo, held in Lucknow. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated the new global headquarters of Kana Shanti Vanam of the Ramchanda Mission in which state? Right answer is Telangana. And the district where it was been inaugurated is Ranga Reddy district. Who has been named the Central Banker of the Year Asia Pacific 2020 by the Banker magazine, a unit of Financial Times? Right answer is Shaktikanta Das, and he is the present RBI governor. Which state has topped for the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana? Right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Indian Navy conducts 5-day coastal security exercise Matla Abhiyan in which city? Right answer is Kolkata. So Matla Abhiyan exercise by Indian Navy has been exercised in Kolkata. Who has been conferred with prestigious Ayurveda Ratan Award 2020 in Brussels? Right answer is Pratap Chauhan. Which country was readmitted and becomes 54th member of Commonwealth family? Right answer is Maldives. Who has been elected as the new president of the Paralympic Committee of India? Right answer is Deepa Malik. So Deepa Malik has been elected as the new president of the Paralympic Committee of India. Who has been named as the Telecom Person of the Year for 2019? Right answer is Ram Sevak Sharma. Who won the women's singles title in the 2020 Australian Open? Right answer is Sophia Kenin from US. Reserve Bank of India is observing Financial Literacy Week 2020 from 10th to 14th February under which theme? Right answer is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. The 23rd edition of the National Conference on E-Governance was held in which city? Right answer is Mumbai. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Farooq Khan in Jammu and Kashmir recently launched which youth exchange program? Right answer is Watan Ko Jano. With which organization Government of India signed a $450 million loan agreement to improve groundwater management? Right answer is World Bank. With which country India signed 5 MOUs for establishing the Addu tourism zone in 5 islands of Addu at a cost of 2.49 million USD? Right answer is Maldives. Which state hosted India's biggest rural technical festival titled Antapragna 2020? Right answer is Telangana. Recently, Geological Survey of India has discovered gold deposits of around 3,000 tons in Sonbhadra district of which state? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which state government has launched the Jan Sevaka scheme to ensure home delivery of various government services? Right answer is Karnataka. In which city the International Fund for Agricultural Development 43rd Governing Council meeting was held? Right answer is Rome. Nasim Shah has become the youngest player to take a test hat-trick. He hails from which country? Right answer is Pakistan. Which film won 7 awards in the BAFTA Award 2020 include the category of Best Film, Director and Outstanding British Film? Right answer is 1917. The 9th Defense and Security Expert Working Group meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization was held in which city? Right answer is Islamabad. Which country along with Pakistan declared national emergency following infestation of swarms of desert locust? Right answer is Somalia. Which city police in Uttar Pradesh has launched the Operation Nakal under which the identity of all auto rickshaw drivers will be verified? Right answer is Ghaziabad. Which country will host Women's Hockey Junior World Cup in 2021? Right answer is South Africa. Who inaugurated world's largest Motera cricket stadium in Ahmedabad? Right answer is Donald Trump. Recently, the government setting up a new major port at Vadhavan near Dahanu in which state? Right answer is Maharashtra. Who became the youngest girl in the world to summit Mount Aconcagua in South America? Right answer is Kamya Karthikeyan. Which country ended free travel for Indian passport holders? Right answer is Bhutan. Which state has decided to ban all types of online lottery schemes in the state? Right answer is Punjab. Who has won Laureus World Sportsman of the Year at the Laureus World Sports Award 2020? Right answer is Lewis Hamilton and Lionel Messi. Who won the award for leading actor at BAFTA Award 2020? Right answer is Joaquin Phoenix for the film Joker. Recently, which country's Department for International Development signed MOU with Indian Railways? Right answer is United Kingdom. In which city BioAsia 2020, Asia's largest biotechnology and life sciences forum was held? Right answer is Hyderabad. How much amount was released by Centre under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme? Right answer is rupees 50,850 crore. Which country has banned e-cigarettes in both domestic and international flights as well as at airports. So India has banned e-cigarettes in both domestic and international flights as well as at airports. Recently, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh announced to create how many more defense attaché posts? Right answer is 10. Who has become the first Indian to win the Player of the Year for 2019 by International Hockey Federation? Right answer is Manpreet Singh. The 4th East Asia Summit Conference on Maritime Security Cooperation held in which city? Right answer is Chennai. Which chatbot was launched by IRCTC to converse with customers in Hindi language? Right answer is Ask Disha. Which country has won the ICC Women's Championship trophy? Right answer is Australia. Which airport became the first single-use plastic-free airport of India? Right answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport, which is in Delhi. Which state government has signed an MOU with State Bank of India to facilitate approval of loans to entrepreneurs in the MSME sector? Right answer is Gujarat. Recently, Union Cabinet has approved the phase 2 of the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin till which year? Right answer is 2024-25. Which ministry has launched the Santusht portal? Right answer is Ministry of Labour and Employment has launched the Santusht portal. The center has decided to rename the National Institute of Financial Management, Faridabad, after the name of which late politician? Right answer is Arun Jaitley. So the center has decided to rename the National Institute of Financial Management, Faridabad, after the name of Arun Jaitley. Which state launched the Nadu Nedu scheme? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. The global meet on climate change, ocean health held in which city? Right answer is Kochi. India with which country is set to develop new framework for integrated ocean management and research? Right answer is Norway. Who won the 2020 Oscars Award for Best Actor at the 92nd Academy Awards? Right answer is Joaquin Phoenix for the film Joker. Who inaugurated the Indian Pavilion at the Berlin International Film Festival 2020? Right answer is Subramaniam Jayashankar. Who has been awarded Sportsperson for the Year Female Award at ESPN Multi-Sport Annual Awards 2019? Right answer is PV Sindhu. The central government has approved nearly how much amount for Uj multi-purpose project to be built in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is rupees 6,000 crore. Which state hosted ClimFishCon 2020, a global meet on climate change, ocean health? Right answer is Kerala. The 7th Nation BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise 2020 held in which city? Right answer is Bhubaneswar. Which film won the 2020 Oscars Award for Best Picture at the 92nd Academy Awards? Right answer is Parasite. The 33rd annual meeting of the African Union leaders held in which city? Right answer is Addis Ababa. In which state Ganga Kayak Festival has been organized? Right answer is Uttarakhand. So Ganga Kayak Festival has been organized in Uttarakhand. Who has been awarded Sportsperson of the Year Male Award at ESPN Multi-Sport Annual Awards 2019? Right answer is Saurav Chaudhary. Who has been appointed as the President of the COP26 by the United Kingdom? Right answer is Alok Sharma. Which country has formally announced its decision to withdraw from the United Nations Human Rights Council resolution co-sponsored in 2015? Right answer is Sri Lanka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled the 63 feet Panchaloha statue of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay in which city? Right answer is Varanasi. Who has been chosen as the chairman of the Ram Temple Complex Development Committee? Right answer is Nripendra Mishra. The second BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise 2020 was inaugurated in Dash. Right answer is Odisha. Who has won the prestigious Dan David Prize for her expansive work in the fields of population policies? Right answer is Geeta Sen. Which state government renamed Ambala City Bus Stand after late External Affairs Minister and BJP veteran Sushma Swaraj? Right answer is Haryana. Under whose chairmanship SEBI has constituted a Municipal Bonds Development Committee? Right answer is Sujit Prasad. In which city National Organic Food Festival was inaugurated by Harsimrat Kaur Badal and Smriti Irani? Right answer is New Delhi. Which state launched Yodavu mobile app to combat drug menace? Right answer is Kerala. Who has been named as the 2019 FIH Women's Rising Star of the Year? Right answer is Lal Ram Siami. The state government of Goa and which other country signed a memorandum of understanding on augmenting water supply and sewerage management? Right answer is Portugal. Which bank records highest growth in brand value among top global banks according to the Bankers Top 500 Banking Brands 2020 report? Right answer is IndusInd Bank. Which company has launched the We Think Digital program to provide digital literacy to women? Right answer is Facebook. Which country will be the first country to host the new format of AIBA Team World Cup in 2020? Right answer is Russia. Which state has launched the Pyar Ka Paudha campaign to promote the practice of planting trees? Right answer is Bihar. The Foreign Service Institute has been renamed as Dash. Right answer is Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service. Which state launched Angan for Hunba, that is early paddy crop program? Right answer is Manipur. Who has been appointed as new chairman of Global Board of Directors of US-India Business Council? Right answer is Vijay Advani. The Government Medical College in Maharashtra's Latur will be named after whom? Right answer is Vilas Rao Deshmukh. So the Government Medical College in Maharashtra's Latur will be named after Vilas Rao Deshmukh. What was the theme of the BioAsia 2020 forum held in Hyderabad? Right answer is Today for Tomorrow. So Today for Tomorrow was the theme for the BioAsia 2020 forum held in Hyderabad. Which project was launched by Minister of State for Shipping, Chemical and Fertilizers Mansukh Lal Mandaviya to channelize economic activity along the banks of Ganga river? Right answer is Earth Ganga. Where was the first ever Bharat Bangla Tourism Festival held? Right answer is Tripura. India and Portugal have recently signed an MOU to develop a world-class national maritime heritage complex at which place? Right answer is Lothal. Which state government will open Atal Kisan Mazdoor canteens in all mandis and sugar mills? Right answer is Haryana. Third high-level global conference on road safety was held in which city? Right answer is Stockholm. What was the theme of the 56th Munich Security Conference 2020? Right answer is Wastelessness. Bird ringing station devoted to observation, monitoring and research on migratory birds will be established in which state? Right answer is Bihar. Who was awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year? Right answer is Simon Biles. So Simon Biles was awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year. Name the place where the new world-class facility center for training astronauts to be established. Right answer is Chalakare in Chitradurga district of Karnataka. Which naval exercise has taken place between India and Oman? Right answer is Nasim Al Bahar. The first edition of Khelo India University Games was held in which city? Right answer is Bhubaneswar. How much amount of revival package was announced for BSNL and MTNL? Right answer is rupees 69,000 crore. So rupees 69,000 crore revival package was announced for BSNL and MTNL. Which state government has launched the Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen? Right answer is Haryana. So Haryana government has launched the Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen. Which city has been named Cleanest City of India in Swachh Sarvekshan League 2020? Right answer is Indore. Josivini Tunji has been crowned as Miss Universe 2019. She belongs to which country? Right answer is South Africa. So Josivini Tunji belongs to South Africa, who has been crowned as Miss Universe 2019. Which state has recently got its first elephant colony? So Madhya Pradesh has recently got its first elephant colony. Who will head the new Department of Military Affairs formed by the government? Right answer is General Bipin Rawat. And General Bipin Rawat has been appointed as India's first and present Chief of Defence Staff. Which state government has launched the Abhinandan scheme? Right answer is Assam. The Government of India has launched which portal to trace lost mobiles? Right answer is Central Equipment Identity Register. Which state is going to observe No Vehicle Day on the first day of every month in 2020? Right answer is Rajasthan. Indian Railways introduced a new passenger information system at which railway station? Right answer is Annakapalli railway station, and this railway station is in Andhra Pradesh. Which fintech startup has been acquired by digital payments gateway provider PayU in India's largest fintech acquisition deal at a valuation of $185 million? Right answer is PaySense. So PayU has acquired PaySense at a deal of $185 million. Which state is going to conduct its maiden snow leopard survey? Right answer is Uttarakhand. To unify different tribes of Mizo community, Mizoram government organized first edition of Zo Kutpui Festival 2020 across 10 states in India and in which countries? Right answer is US, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Which state's Road Transport Corporation has launched a dedicated women helpline Damini? Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Name the longest serving ruler of Oman who recently passed away. Right answer is Qaboos bin Sayyid. The 11-day long Dhanu Jatra begins at which state? So Odisha has celebrated the 11-day long Dhanu Jatra. Who has released the book Karma Yodha Granth, which describes the life of Narendra Modi? Right answer is Amit Shah. So Amit Shah has released the book Karma Yodha Granth. The Union Finance Minister has unveiled how much amount towards National Infrastructure Pipeline in order to achieve $5 trillion economy by 2024-25. Right answer is rupees 102 lakh crore. Name the Odisha writer who received Mystic Kalinga Literary Award. Right answer is Manoj Das. The 5th edition of Joint Military Exercise, that is Ajay Warrior 2020, was held between India and which country? So the 5th edition of Joint Military Exercise Ajay Warrior 2020 was held between India and United Kingdom. Who has become India's second richest person with a net worth of $17.8 billion? Right answer is Radhakrishnan Damani. Which IIT institution has developed a technology to produce hydrogen fuel from water? Right answer is IIT Mandi. Which state launches Cyber Safe Women Initiative? Right answer is Maharashtra. So the 107th edition of the Indian Science Congress inaugurated by Narendra Modi was held in which city? Right answer is Bengaluru. Which two games included in the Khelo India Games for the first time? Right answer is cycling and lawn bowls. Which port is renamed as the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is Kolkata Port. So the Kolkata Port has been renamed as the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port. The urban cooperative banks may be placed under supervisory action framework when its net NPAs exceed -% of its net advances. Right answer is 6%. So the urban cooperative banks may be placed under supervisory action framework when its net NPAs exceed 6% of its net advances. Which state has launched the Pauti app to facilitate online payment of land revenue? Right answer is Odisha. Which country to train the 4 Air Force pilots for the Gaganyaan mission that is going to be launched in 2022? Right answer is Russia. So Russia will train the 4 Air Force pilots for the Gaganyaan mission 2022. Indian Railways signs MOU with which PSU for phase 2 of e-office execution? Right answer is RailTel. ISRO has signed a pact with Indian Institute of Astrophysics to establish an optical telescope under which project? Right answer is Netra. So Netra is the project under which ISRO has signed a pact with Indian Institute of Astrophysics to establish an optical telescope. Who has been appointed as the first chairman of National Medical Commission, that is NMC? Right answer is Suresh Chandra Sharma. So Suresh Chandra Sharma has been appointed as the first chairman of National Medical Commission. Which software company has developed an application Money launched by RBI to help visually challenged people to identify denomination of currency notes? Right answer is Daffodil Software. And this Money app stands for Mobile Aided Note Identifier. Who has launched the project Biswas and Cyber Ashwas at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar? Right answer is Amit Shah. Turtle Rehabilitation Center will be opened in which state? Right answer is Bihar. So Bihar will open the Turtle Rehabilitation Center very recently. Which Indian Grandmaster won the prestigious Hastings International Chess title held in Hastings, England? Right answer is P. Magesh Chandran. ISRO will set up second launch for small satellite launch vehicle in which district? Right answer is Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. The Central Industrial Security Force will observe 2020 as the year of? Right answer is year of mobility. So the Central Industrial Security Force, that is CISF, will observe 2020 as the year of mobility. Which Pacific country has become the first nation to ban sun cream which damages the coral reefs, sea life and are toxic to juvenile wildlife species? Right answer is Palau. The 5th Pulses Conclave 2020 will be held in which state? Right answer is Maharashtra. Who has been awarded the Global Bihar Excellence Award 2019 for his invaluable and outstanding contribution towards social welfare, women empowerment and introducing new talent in the field of arts and culture? Right answer is Piyush Jaiswal. Which has become the 5th railway station in the country to have navigation facilities for visually impaired? Right answer is Chandigarh Railway Station. Artificial intelligence powered National Stock Exchange Knowledge Hub was recently inaugurated in which city? Right answer is New Delhi. Major General Qasim Soleimani, who was recently killed in a US strike, was from which country? Right answer is Iran. Who has won the presidential elections of Croatia? Right answer is Zoran Milanovic. Who has won the UK-based Costa Children's Award 2019 for her debut novel Asha and the Spirit Bird? Right answer is Jasbinder Bilan. A jury of 350 US linguists of the American Dialectic Society has chosen which word as their word of the decade to recognize its growing use? Right answer is they. So they has been chosen as the word of the decade to recognize its growing use. Name the Dubai-based Indian girl who has won the 100 Global Child Prodigy Award 2020 in the category of singing. Right answer is Sucheta Satish. Which state government has launched flagship program Jaganna Amma Bodhi scheme in Chittoor to support lakhs of poor and needy mothers to educate their children? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2020? Right answer is 84th. So India ranked 84th in the Henley Passport Index 2020. Which Indian city has topped the list of world's fastest growing cities released by Economist Intelligence Unit? Right answer is Malappuram. Which state to celebrate 2020 as Sushashan Sankalp Varsh? Right answer is Haryana. Who has launched Yashaswani scheme for women entrepreneurship in Goa? Right answer is Smriti Irani. So Smriti Irani has launched Yashaswani scheme for women entrepreneurship in Goa. 5-day joint exercise Sahyog Kajin held between India and which country? So 5-day joint exercise Sahyog Kajin held between India and Japan. Which state has signed a loan agreement worth of rupees 711 crore with KfW Germany Development Bank for expanding the climate resilient zero budget natural farming? Right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Amit Shah has laid the foundation stone of National Disaster Response Force Academy in which city? Right answer is Nagpur. Which Gram Panchayat topped the ranking for the year 2019 of Gram Panchayats in the country on implementation of development and infrastructure programs under the mission Antyodaya scheme? Right answer is Molugambundi Gram Panchayat at Tamil Nadu. Who has become the first woman parade adjutant for the Republic Day parade? Right answer is Tanya Shergill. Where was the 5th Ice Hockey Association of India National Ice Hockey Championship 2020 held? Right answer is Leh. Which state will conduct a dedicated state level Adalat for LGBT community, that is lesbian, gay, bisexual and trans community? Right answer is Kerala. So Kerala will conduct a dedicated state level Adalat for LGBT community. Which book's Braille version has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is Exam Warriors. Which state government has decided to provide the holy water of the Ganga Sagar through an app? Right answer is West Bengal. In which city Gujarat's Chief Minister Vijay Rupani unveiled the 50-feet bronze-made statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which is also the second tallest statue in the world? Right answer is Ahmedabad. Which state government has declared 2020 as Year of Artificial Intelligence and has signed MOUs with various companies and IIT Kharagpur to make way for technological advancements in the state? Right answer is Telangana. The second edition of NIC Tech Conclave 2020 held in which city? Right answer is New Delhi. Who launched the Indian Science Technologies and Engineering Facilities Map, that is iSTEM portal, designed to be the gateway for researchers to locate specific type of facility need for their research and development work in India? Right answer is Narendra Modi. Which union ministry has set up new emerging and strategic technologies to deal with new and emerging technologies? Right answer is Ministry of External Affairs. Name the Indian table tennis player from Uttar Pradesh who recently became world's #1 player under 21 in men's single category. Right answer is Manav Thakkar. Name the first urban cooperative bank that is approved to convert into a small finance bank. Right answer is Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank. Which Middle East country recently announced multiple entry tourist visas to people of all countries? Right answer is United Arab Emirates. Who has recently been chosen for M. Venkaiah Naidu National Award for Excellence? Right answer is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Which bank has signed an MOU with Women Entrepreneurs Welfare Association of Tamil Nadu to provide training and credit linkage to its women entrepreneurs to establish business? Right answer is Indian Bank. Who was recently presented with the Lokmanya Tilak National Journalism Award? Right answer is Sanjay Gupta. India has extended how much amount line of credit to Cuba for financing solar parks? Right answer is $75 million. And this amount has been approved by Exim Bank. Where is the 12th National Tribal Youth Exchange Program inaugurated? Right answer is Puducherry. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, that is TESS, which recently discovered a new habitable exoplanet, belongs to which space agency? Right answer is NASA, that is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Which district received the UNICEF 2019 award for effective implementation of Swachh Bharat mission in water, sanitation and hygiene sectors? Right answer is Kamareddy district of Telangana. Which state government has made reading of preamble of the constitution after prayer mandatory in all primary and secondary schools? Right answer is Maharashtra. So here we will end today's session. If you like the session, then please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications on time. You can also join the Telegram group of Study Dogma and follow us on Instagram pages for regular updates. Link given in the description column. Thank you very much.